Hi everyone. I'm going to show recipe of restaurant style crunchy chickpeas. Soak 1 cup of chickpeas 6 to 8 hours. After soaking, boil it in pressure cooker with water and salt. Cook in high flame in pressure cooker for 5 whistles. Then lower the flame and cook for 5 more minutes. We'll start. Add 4 tablespoons of corn flour over chickpeas to get coated. Keep mixing. It's better to use 2 quarts of corn flour to get super crunchy. For second coat, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and give a good mix to water. Then add the second coat corn flour of 4 to 5 tablespoons and mix. Keep mixing until it gets coated well. Now in a high hot oil pan, add chickpeas. Don't mix it for first 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, start mixing. Fry until light golden. Take out after it's done. Can you see the crispy chickpeas? In another pan, once it gets high heat, pour 1 tablespoon of oil. As the oil gets hot, add green chilies, garlic and small onion, all finely chopped. Give a good mix without burning for a minute. Now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of sugar. If you want to add more sugar, you can do that. Once again, give a good mix and cook for 30 seconds. Now add vinegar, tomato, ketchup and soya sauce. If needed, you can add chili sauce 2 to 3 tablespoons. Cook the sauce in high heat for about 2 minutes. Add half a cup of water. When it started boiling, add slurry for it. 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons water and mix. That's how slurry made. It will give a thickness to our sauce. Add little by little and mix it. Now it has got very thick. Off the stove. Perfect consistency. Now time to add chickpeas and give a good mix. Transfer into another bowl. Serve. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give a like. Don't forget to press the bell button.